Australia has a comprehensive taxation system with various types of taxes levied at the federal, state, and local levels. Here's an overview of the key elements. 1. Income tax. Personal income tax. The Australian Taxation Office administers personal income tax. The tax rates are progressive, meaning the more you earn, the higher percentage you pay. Tax brackets. 0 to $18,200, 0%. $18,201 to $45,000, 19%. $45,001 to $120,000, 32.5%. $120,001 to $180,000, 37%. Over $180,000, 45%. Corporate tax. Companies are generally taxed at a flat rate of 30%, but smaller businesses with an annual turnover of less than $50 million are taxed at a reduced rate of 25%. Capital gains tax. Individuals and entities are taxed on the profit from the sale of certain assets, such as property or shares. However, a 50% discount applies to assets held for over 12 months. 2. Goods and services tax. GST is a value-added tax of 10% on most goods and services sold in Australia. Businesses with an annual turnover of $75,000 or more are required to register for GST. 3. Pay-as-you-go withholding. Employers withhold tax from employees' wages or salaries under the PAYG system. The amount withheld is based on the individual's income and the applicable tax rate. 4. Superannuation. Employers are required to contribute to their employees' superannuation fund. The current minimum contribution rate is 11% of an employee's earnings, and this is expected to increase gradually. 5. Fringe benefits tax. Employers are liable for fringe benefits tax when providing non-cash benefits to employees. The FBT rate is currently 47%. 6. State and local taxes. Stamp duty, levied on the purchase of property, vehicles, and certain transactions. Rates vary by state. Payroll tax, imposed on businesses that have a total payroll exceeding a certain threshold, which differs by state. Land tax, imposed on the value of land owned by individuals or entities, typically at the state level. 7. Other taxes. Excise taxes, levied on specific goods such as alcohol, tobacco, and fuel. Customs duties, tax on imported goods, with rates depending on the type of goods. Key considerations. Tax residency. Australian tax obligations depend on whether you're a tax resident. Residents are taxed on worldwide income, while non-residents are only taxed on Australian-sourced income. Tax filing. Individuals file their tax returns annually, while companies file on a quarterly or annual basis. Australia's tax system is designed to be progressive, with various deductions and exemptions available, such as for education, charitable donations, and business expenses.